healthy food lovers! My name is Kate and I do love delicious and healthy food. In this episode, I will talk about the celebrity of the super powders, a microalgae with the most astonishing emerald green color ever, spirulina. Despite its recent spike in popularity, spirulina is one of the oldest life forms on Earth. When first discovered, spirulina was classified in the plant kingdom due to its ability of photosynthesis. Based on a new understanding of its genetics and biochemical properties, it was later placed in the bacteria kingdom. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that naturally thrives in mineral-rich, alkaline, fresh, and salt waters. It grows in tiny little spirals that stick together, therefore making it easy to harvest. Also known as the miracle from the sea, spirulina holds a high concentration of macronutrients. It is a plant-based source of complete protein. Let me explain. To build a protein, humans require a certain amount of amino acids. Our body can only produce half of them, and the rest we must derive from food. Well, guess what? Spirulina contains all 9 essential amino acids that complete a protein. And as you already know, our bodies need protein as it plays a key role in creation and maintenance of cells. Protein makes up about 60 to 70% of spirulina's dry weight. The benefits of spirulina don't stop there. This powder is loaded with antioxidants, which are compounds that help combat cell and DNA damage. It also contains significant amounts of magnesium, iron, niacin, phosphorus, and B vitamins. Research suggests that due to this powerful content, spirulina may help to reduce fatigue and boost up energy levels. So goodbye coffee and hello spirulina. Spirulina has a mild taste that certainly takes getting used to. We advise to start with small doses and increase according to your preference. This product is widely used in human and animal nutrition, as well as in the cosmetic industry. We love this algae powder as it is so easy to incorporate in your diet. Add it to your smoothies, juices, soups, sauces, energy balls, or use it as groovy food coloring for your baked goods and desserts. Warning! If you are allergic to seafood, seaweed, or other sea veggies, spirulina is not appropriate for you. Now, let's make a green healthy smoothie.